Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix too many code sent on Apple ID. If you are using any iPhone or iPad and you're trying to get verification code on your Apple ID, but you're facing this type issue that too many codes sent, enter the last code you received or try again later. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to go back and here you just have to try to scroll down in control center and you have to make sure that you have a stable and a strongest network connection. You can also try to switch between Wi-Fi cellular data, or you can try to enable or disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times to make a quick refresh with all of your network settings. Then go back from here, open your settings app, go to general, go to VPN device management, and you have to make sure that your VPN is not connected. If you're connected to any kind of VPN, just try to disconnect that. After disconnect your VPN, you have to simply go to the software update, try to update your software. After updating software, go back and try to make a force restart with your iPhone. Now to do that, you have to quickly press on the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, you just have to unlock your phone. And here you have to retry, and this time you will receive a verification code. If it's still not received, you have to open your messages app, and here you have to check if you received any code. So you can try to enter the last code you received, or if it's still not working for you, so I recommend you how to try to wait for almost 24 hours. Do not retry to log in between 24 hours, and after 24 hours, you can easily retry without any issue like that. So in this way, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.